The arrival of the accused persons, Mustafa Fawaz Abdullah Tahini and Talal Ahmad Roda at the Federal High Court, signaled the commencement of final submissions before the court. It was a final exchange of legal fireworks as Defense Counsel Robert Clark, leading other senior advocates, adopted his written address and formulated 5 questions for the court to determine. These questions include whether the charge of conspiracy can be validly sustained, whether the accused persons can be tried in Abuja for weapons claimed to have been found in Kano, whether the mere possession of foreign currency is enough ground to accuse one of them of financing terrorism, and if the non-physical presentation of the said arms and ammunition can be said to be credible evidence to convict the accused persons.
We have argued that the law is on our side, that the federal government has not declared Hezbollah a terrorist organization. Therefore, no organization in Nigeria can charge them to court as belonging to an organization that has not been gazetted by Mr. President. In Boko Haram's case before the same court, the gazette was tendered to show that Boko Haram has been declared a terrorist. The prosecution has failed to produce any gazette, and therefore we are saying that in the absence of any gazette, the court has no jurisdiction to declare them as terrorists. And if they are not terrorists and they don't belong to it, then all the charges relating to terrorism has to fall.
The prosecutor Simon Egede, who declined to speak to journalists after closing his case, told the court that sufficient evidence has been provided for the court to convict the accused persons for acts of terrorism, terrorism financing, and illegal importation of arms and ammunition. Following the conclusion of their defense, Justice Ademola Adeni reserved the judgment to a date to be communicated to all parties.